Did you know that 3 major world religions all record the same impossible miracle involving birds falling from the sky? During Israel's desert wandering, over 600,000 people were starving in the wilderness. Then, something extraordinary happened that defied all natural laws. Quail didn't just appear. They literally fell from the sky, blown in by supernatural winds. The Hebrew Bible records they covered the ground 3 feet deep, extending for an entire day's journey in every direction. That's millions upon millions of birds, carpeting the desert floor within easy reach. Numbers and Exodus both describe identical details, how the exhausted birds lay across miles of terrain. This provided meat for over 500,000 families for an entire month. Biologically, this quantity appearing naturally is completely impossible. Yet Jewish scripture, Christian Bible, and Islamic traditions all preserve the exact same account. The measurements, the supernatural wind, the massive scale, everything matches perfectly across these faiths. 1 miracle, 3 religions, identical impossible details. Divine provision recorded identically across centuries of sacred text.